Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Before I start the video, a small disclaimer. This video is not to spread any hate against any kind of social media platforms or talk about any generic points like how social media is wasting a lot of time or ruining relationships or it's useless. Nothing of the generic points. In this video we will talk about interesting process that we go through in order to form a habit of using social media. I will talk about the 4-step process of habit forming, which is being described by Nir Eyal in his book The Hooked. If you want to read that book, I'll put the link somewhere in the description. You can check that out. So let's start with our discussion. How do we form habit of using social media? In this day and age, most of us use social media on daily basis. When we are feeling bored, what is the first thing that we do? We usually open our phones and go through all our favorite social media without even realizing it. And that's just become our habit. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat are designed to be habit forming, to make us crave for more. Nir Eyal, the author of the book Hooked, divides this process into 4 major steps. Even I do not have the complete understanding of these 4 points, but when I do use social media, I understand how it is working. I'll recommend after you finish watching this video, go through that book and understand these points in a much better way. What I am doing right now is giving a summary of what that book is about. Coming back to the 4 steps which Nir Eyal described, the step 1 is trigger. In order for social media to engage, to prompt us to take action, they give us triggers in the form of advertising, emails, or notifications. The trigger can also be something internal, for example, waking up and feeling bored. The second step is action. After we are triggered, we are prompted to take action with the anticipation of a reward. For example, we post our pictures on Instagram for social reasons. Now these platforms take care that the action that we are taking should be simple and the steps should be minimum. The third step is reward. After taking action, these social media platforms offer variable rewards. They use variable rewards because of one very simple reason. Our brain loves unexpected reward than expected reward. The fourth and the final step is investment. Following the reward, the social media apps makes us feel that their product is our investment. For example, we love our carefully curated Instagram feed or social media platforms that describes who we are. This makes us internalize and make these social media platforms an integral part of our lives. I know the points that I talked about was on the layer and was not discussed in the depth. That is why I'll recommend again that please go and at least get the summary of that book. You'll get a better understanding of what I'm talking about. Now let us look at the example of WhatsApp and how these 4 steps are actually working for WhatsApp. The step 1, as we talked about, trigger. The external trigger is notification. The internal trigger could be missing out the conversations, to be constantly in touch with friends, or triggers like anxiety, stress, or an itch in the brain. What action we take after we are triggered? Simply open WhatsApp and text contacts. What reward we get? A single and double tick act as an acknowledgement that our text had been sent and it has been received on the other end. What investment are we making? A reply or a text message. This keeps the conversation going, causing it to be a habit forming product. Now let's look at the example of Instagram. What act as the trigger? Notifications and some of the internal triggers that we talked for the WhatsApp. What action do we take? We click a picture, apply filters and post it. What reward are we getting? Likes, comments and social acceptance. The 4th step is the investment. Because we are getting acknowledged and socially accepted and getting likes and comments, we keep coming back and keep posting these pictures. I know this video was on the layer and not discussed in the depth because even I need some understanding about the topic. Everything listed was the points from the book and my own observations. If you want to discuss more points and something that interesting you think about the social media platforms, feel free to comment and subscribe the channel. I'll try to come up with interesting topics and ideas in my future videos. Till then, tada. Take care.